Welcome to True Growth, where ancient wisdom meets modern life. Today we explore chapter 12 of the Bhagavad Gita. It's the yoga of devotion, Bhakti yoga. In this chapter, Arjuna asks a timeless question. Is it better to worship the formless or the personal God? Lord Krishna's answer offers not just clarity, but a path to peace, love and liberation. Whether you're spiritual, curious, or simply seeking calm in a chaotic world, this message is for you. Let's begin. Arjuna said, "Which are better those who worship you with devotion, always steadfast, or those who worship the formless, the unmanifest?" The blessed Lord said, "Those who fix their minds on me and worship me with steadfast devotion and supreme faith, I consider them to be the most perfect in yoga. But those who worship the imperishable, the indefinable, the unmanifest, the all-pervading, the unthinkable, the unchanging, the immovable, and the eternal, restraining all the senses, even-minded in all conditions, rejoicing in the welfare of all beings, such people also come to me. But the difficulty of those whose minds are set on the unmanifest is greater. For the path of the unmanifest is hard for embodied beings to follow. But those who worship me, surrendering all actions to me, regarding me as the supreme goal, meditating on me with exclusive devotion, to such ever-devoted souls, I swiftly deliver them from the ocean of birth and death, as their minds are fixed on me. Fix your mind on me alone. Place your intellect in me. Then, without doubt, you shall live in me. If you are unable to fix your mind steadily on me, then seek to reach me by the practice of constant devotion. If you are unable even to practice devotion, then engage yourself in actions performed for my sake. By doing such actions, you shall attain perfection. If you are unable to do even this, then take refuge in my yoga and renounce the fruits of all actions with self-control. Better indeed is knowledge than practice. Better than knowledge is meditation. Better than meditation is renunciation of the fruits of action for peace. Immediately follows renunciation. He who is free from hatred toward all beings, who is friendly and compassionate, free from possessiveness and ego, balanced in pleasure and pain, and forgiving, ever content, steady in meditation, self-controlled with firm resolve, with mind and intellect fixed on me, such a devotee is dear to me. He by whom the world is not agitated, and who is not agitated by the world, who is free from joy, envy, fear, and anxiety, he is dear to me. He who is free from dependence, pure, capable, indifferent, untroubled, renouncing all undertakings, such a devotee is dear to me. He who neither rejoices nor hates, neither grieves nor desires, renouncing both good and evil, full of devotion, he is dear to me. He who is the same to friend and foe, in honor and dishonor, in heat and cold, in pleasure and pain, who is free from attachment, who remains equal in praise and blame, silent, content with whatever comes, homeless, steady-minded, full of devotion, such a person is dear to me. Those who follow this immortal path of Dharma, full of faith and devotion, regarding me as the supreme goal, such devotees are exceedingly dear to me. You've just heard chapter 12 of the Bhagavad Gita, where Lord Krishna teaches that true devotion isn't about rituals or perfection, but about a heart filled with love, humility, and surrender. No matter your path of knowledge, action, or meditation, it's devotion that brings peace and connection. If this chapter touched you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to True Growth for more timeless wisdom from the Gita, one chapter at a time. And always remember, true growth begins when the heart is open. See you in the next chapter. Jai Shri Krishna.